Question. In 1980s, Maradona was the most popular footballer in the world. Positive. Answer. In 1980s, no other footballer in the world was as popular as Maradona. Question. The slaughtering of the monster was one of the toughest jobs that he performed. Make it positive. Answer. Very few jobs that he performed were as tough as the slaughtering of the monster. Question. Mitchell is as diligent as Rachel. Make it comparative. Answer. Rachel is not more diligent than Mitchell. Question. According to the story, no other man in the village as wise as Nambi. Answer. According to the story, Nambi was the wisest man in the village. Question. No other virtue in a man's life is as important as honesty. Make it comparative. Answer. Honesty is more important than all other virtues in a man's life. Question. A contented poor man is happier than a greedy rich man. Positive. Answer. A greedy rich man is not so happy as a contented poor man. Question. She feels that her father is better than all other fathers in the world. Make it superlative. Answer. She feels that her father is the best father in the world. Question. Jamil was one of the sincerest students that we have ever known. Make it positive. Answer. Very few students that we have ever known were as sincere as Jamil. Question. Bangladesh is now one of the strongest team in one-day cricket. Make it comparative. Answer. Bangladesh is stronger than many other teams in one-day cricket. Question. Very few persons were as vindictive as Iago. Make it superlative. Answer. Iago was one of the most vindictive person. Question. Joseph is as disciplined as Tom. Comparative. Answer. Joseph is not less disciplined than Tom. Question. I have been reading the book for 2 hours. Make it passive. Answer. The book has been read for 2 hours by me. Question. Green mangoes taste sour. Make it passive. Answer. Green mangoes are sour when they are tasted. Question. When I saw him, he told me the fact. Make it passive. Answer. When he was seen by me, I was told the fact by him. Question. He annoyed me. Make it passive. Answer. I was annoyed with him. Question. Evil thoughts made up his mind. Make it passive. Answer. He was made up of evil thoughts. Answer. His mind was made up of evil thoughts. Question. One can achieve success by one's sincere efforts. Make it passive. Answer. Success can be achieved by sincere efforts. Question. It is impossible to do this. Make it passive. Answer. This cannot be done. Question. Oppression and suppression made them look older. Make it passive. Answer. They were made to look older by oppression and suppression. Question. Bad temper should be controlled for our own sake. Make it active. Answer. We should control bad temper for our own sake. Question. The ancient mariner was watching the water snakes swimming round the ship. Make it passive. Answer. The water snakes were being watched swimming round the ship by ancient mariner. Question. Don't look down upon the poor. Make it passive. Answer. Let not the poor be looked down upon. Question. What helps the pious remains contented? Make it passive. Answer. By what are the pious helped to remain contented? Question. What has been expected by the poor from the rich? Answer. What have the poor expected from the rich? Question. Wasn't this man leading a great people? Make it passive. Answer. Wasn't a great people being led by this man? Question. Which word is not spelled correctly? Answer. Go. Which word spelled correctly? Answer. Kho. Question. Which word spelled correctly? Answer. Go. Question. Which word wrongly spelled? Answer. Ko. Question. Which one is the correct spelling? Answer. Go. Question. Which is the correct spelling? Answer. Ko. Question. Which is correct spelling according to the context? Answer. Gha. Question. What is the verb form of light? Answer. Lighten. Question. What is the noun form of brief? Answer. Brevity. Question. What is the objective form of money? Answer. Monetary. Question. What is the verb form of democracy? Answer. Democratize. Question. The adjective form of knowledge is? Answer. Knowledgeable. Question. The noun form of laugh is? Answer. Laughter. Question. The noun form of deny is? Answer. Denial. Question. The patient died after the doctor had come. You have to be patient if you want to success. Here, patient, respectively. Answer. Noun and adjective. Question. The mother in her was stronger than that of any other mother in the world. Here, mother respectively. Answer. Abstract noun and common noun. Question. At the very moment, he was very tired. Here, very respectively. Answer. Adjective and adverb. Question. After the thief had fled, he yoke the train, left the station before their arrival. Here, after and before, respectively. Answer. Conjunction and preposition. Question. The correct spelling is? Answer. Go. Question. Choose the correct spelling. Answer. Kha. Question. Removal is? Answer. Noun. Question. Powerly is? Answer. Adjective. Question. What is the noun form of resign? Answer. Resignation. Question. When you are angry, dash deeply which will make you feel dash. Answer. Breathe, relax. Question. The man dash hard will achieve dash. Answer. Working success. Question. What a pretty. Make it assertive. Answer. It is a great pretty. Question. He should not talk in this matter. Make it imperative. Answer. Let him not talk in this matter. Question. He did not mean by this word that you are a liar. Make it interrogative. Answer. Did he mean by this word that you are a liar? Question. What can I do if the fault is yours? Make it assertive. Answer. I cannot do anything if the fault yours. Question. Had I a lot of riches? Make it assertive. Answer. I wish I had a lot of riches. Question. It was a very wonderful opportunity. Make it exclamatory. Answer. How wonderful an opportunity it was. Question. Every father thinks of the well-being of his child. Make it negative. Answer. There is no father but thinks of the well-being of his child. Question. We must die today or tomorrow. Make it negative. Answer. We cannot help dying today or tomorrow. Question. Who will bail the cat? Make it negative. Answer. There is nobody to bail the cat. Question. Nothing but a piece of cake can make the satisfy the child. Make it affirmative. Answer. Only a piece of cake can satisfy the child. Question. Zakir is better than Bekar. Make it negative. Answer. Bekar is not as good as Zakir. Question. He said, long live Bangladesh. Make it indirect. Answer. He said that Bangladesh might long live. Question. John said to me, don't conceal anything. Make it indirect. Answer. John forbade me to conceal anything. Question. He said to me, can you help me now? Make it indirect. Answer. He asked me whether I could help him. Question. Arif said, hooray, that time we won the game. Make it indirect. Answer. Arif exclaimed with joy that time they had won the game. Question. Suman said, I wish I were a child. Make it indirect. Answer. Suman wished he were a child. Question. Teacher said to me, fool, keep silent. Make it indirect. Answer. Calling me a fool, the teacher said to me, keep silent. Question. An extra message added at the end of a letter after it is signed is called. Answer. Postscript. Question. The last sentence of the paragraph is called. Answer. Terminator. Question. The main idea of a paragraph is. Answer. Topic sentence. Question. How many parts in a letter? Answer 6. Question. How many parts in a paragraph? Answer 3. Question. Tommy said to me, "What is your father?" Make it indirect. Answer. Tommy asked me what my father was. Question. Coherence is related with. Answer. Paragraph. The number of themes/themes in a paragraph. Answer 1. Question. I saw some birds flying in the sky. Complex. Answer. I saw some birds which were flying in the sky. Question. Belal was only 13. Make it negative. Answer. Belal is not more than 13. Question. We should abide by the rules. Make it imperative. Answer. Let us abide by the rule. Question. Computer is a great invention. Make it exclamatory. Answer. What an invention computer is. Question. You need to spend money. Make it passive. Answer. Money needs to be spent by you. Question. Adam's fall was a fortunate fall. Make it compound. Answer. Adam fell, but it was a fortunate fall. Question. The patient died after the doctor had come. Answer. Patient died after the arrival of the doctor. Question. As soon as the parrots understood the presence of the navy, they left. Make it simple. Answer. On understanding the presence of the navy, the parrots left. Question. He had a secret desire so that he could marry the princess. Make it simple. Answer. He had a secret desire to marry the princess. Question. Helen was the most beautiful woman in the world. Make it positive. Answer. No other woman in the world was as beautiful as Helen. Question. No other student in the class was as studious as Polas. Make it comparative. Answer. Polas is more studious than all other students in the class. Question. Very few women were as ill-fated as Maria. Make it superlative. Answer. Maria was one of the most ill-fated women. Question. Even this good news could not satisfy him. Make it passive. Answer. He was not satisfied even this good news. Question. What made him cry? Make it passive. Answer. By what was he made to cry? Question. Which word is wrongly spelled? Answer. Go. Question. Which word has no error? Answer. Ko. Question. Which word's spelling is correct? Answer. Kho. Question. What is the noun form of fly? Answer. Flight. Question. What is the adverb form of heard? Answer. Heard. Question. The adjective form of grammar is? Answer. Grammatical. Question. The theme of a paragraph is delineated in its? Answer. Body. Question. The number of themes/themes in a letter? Answer. Indefinite. Question. Every rose has a thorn, make it negative. Answer. There is no rose without thorn. Question. Almost die, make it interrogative. Answer. Who will not die? Question. Tommy said to me, what do you know about the issue? Make it indirect. Answer. Tommy asked me what I knew about the issue.